Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to get rid of thumbnails autoplay preview off on YouTube. So the first, open YouTube app, tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Click settings, then click general. After that, click play back in feeds. There are three options: always on, Wi-Fi only, and off. You only just click on option off. So that's it. So this is how to get rid of thumbnails autoplay preview off on YouTube. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.